Good day, crypto trader. Bitcoin price prediction: bears rest, while bulls attempt plan a retest of $25,000. Bitcoin price shows resilience as it bounces off the August month's low, suggesting the presence of willing buyers. On a lower time frame, BTC has produced a bullish market structure shift, further confirming a potential reversal. Bitcoin price ready to make hay. Bitcoin price undid the 23% gains it witnessed between September 7 and 13 as it crashed 15% between September 13 and 16. This sudden move resulted from the Consumer Price Index, CPI, announcement. As a result, BTC set a swing high at $22,850 and dropped down to retest the 12-hour demand zone, extending from $18,500 to $19,909, which is one of the main reasons why a reversal here seems plausible. Despite multiple attempts, the sellers have been unable to push past the August month's low at $19,539, suggesting the presence of willing buyers. Going forward, investors can expect BTC to attempt a recovery rally, which could, after sufficient momentum build-up, could produce a higher high above the recently formed high at $22,850. If BTC manages to do the same, it could extend the run to retest $25,000, which is the midpoint of the 45% crash between May 31 and June 18. While things are looking up for Bitcoin price from a lower time frame perspective, the macro outlook still screams bearish. Hence, if the sellers make a comeback and produce a daily candlestick close below the 12-hour demand zone, extending $18,500 to $19,909, it will create a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis. This development could see BTC crash to $17,593, which is the swing low formed on June 18. Assessing the possibility of an Ethereum price rally to $2,000. Ethereum price has seen a quick sell-off over the last 2 days and is currently hovering above a stable support area. A bounce off this level could catalyze buyers into a buying spree, pushing ETH higher. Ethereum price ready for a quick run-up. Ethereum price dropped roughly 21% over the last 5 days and is currently hovering around $1,432, which is around the $1,355 to $1,440 support area. After this steep correction, investors can expect ETH to reverse due to the presence of the aforementioned foothold and the exhaustion of sellers. A recovery rally from the current position could propel Ethereum price to retest the $1,730 hurdle, which would be a 21% ascent. But if the momentum is strong, ETH could extend this rally to $2,034. This move, in total, would constitute a 42% gain and is likely where Ethereum price could form a double top, signifying the end of the run-up. On the other hand, if Ethereum price fails to hold above the $1,355 to $1,440 support area, it will indicate that the buyers are not in control. In such a case, if ETH produces a daily candlestick close below $1,355, it will create a lower low and invalidate the bullish thesis. This development could see Ethereum price slide lower and retest the $1,280 support level. Polkadot price ready to break consolidation and rally 15%. Polkadot price has retested the range low for the 5th time and is finally showing signs of moving higher. A bounce from its current position could trigger a quick but brief run-up. However, this move could extend to higher levels if the momentum is strong. Polkadot price ready for takeoff. Polkadot price set up a range, extending from $6.85 to $11.86 and has been trading in it since mid-May. Although deviated below the range low between June and July, the recovery above this level led to a 42% run-up that pushed past the range's midpoint at $9.35 briefly. Since August 13, Polkadot price has been on a downtrend as investors continue to book profits. This down move resulted in retesting the range low at $6.85, but with Bitcoin price looking ready for a run-up, altcoins are likely to follow along. Hence, investors should keep a close Polkadot price to open a long position and await a 15% move to $8.05. If the momentum is high enough, DOT could extend this run-up to retest the midpoint at $9.35, bringing the total gain to 33%. While things are looking up for Polkadot price, a sudden downturn in Bitcoin price could ruin the bullish outlook for DOT. If Polkadot price produces a daily candlestick close below the range low at $6.85, it will invalidate the bearish thesis. This development could see DOT retest the daily demand zone, extending from $6.51 to $5.94. Cardano price grabs liquidity, next stop is $0.505. Cardano price triggers its liquidity fractal pattern again after the recent sell-off in Bitcoin and Ethereum. The collection of sell-stop liquidity has also caused ADA to catalyze a run-up. Interested traders can capitalize on this rally by jumping on this trend at the right time. Cardano price signals buy. Cardano price created the 7th liquidity run on a 12-hour chart as it swept the September 13th swing low at $0.460 and created a double bottom at $0.450. This development kick-started a reversal that has pushed ADA up by 5.82% so far. The bounce in ADA could easily retest the immediate hurdle at $0.505. Since Cardano price produced a higher high at $0.521 relative to the September 6th swing high at $0.512, the trend seems to be favoring bulls. Hence, the ongoing recovery rally could aim for the $0.530 resistance level. If ADA retests $0.530, it will have rallied 17% and is likely where the upside will be capped for the so-called Ethereum killer. Additionally, this move would have produced a higher high relative to the last higher high at $0.524 formed on September 10. On the other hand, if Cardano price produces a lower low below the $0.450 level, it will invalidate the bullish thesis for ADA. This development could see Cardano price crash to the $0.435 stable support level. This subtle sign suggests that Tezos, XTZ, price will rally 20% in the coming days. Tezos price shows possibility of a bullish retaliation targeting the September high at $1.75. Tezos price shows positive signals. Tezos price could make a run for new highs in the coming days. A subtle bullish divergence has been established on the relative strength index as the bears have printed a large engulfing candle. The divergence occurs above supportive buyers' territory, which confounds the idea that a smart money bear trap could be on the table. Tezos price currently auctions at $1.52 as the bulls are attempting to reconquer the 21-day simple moving average, SMA. The volume profile indicator confounds the idea that an uptrend move is still possible, as the bearish volume which induced the current sell-off is still relatively less than the volume established during the summertime rally. Additionally, the current price is just below the 61.8% Fibonacci level based on the previous swing low and swing high in September. When combining these factors, the traders who have their stop losses placed above the $1.75 could witness a challenge. Invalidation of the bullish thesis is a closing candle below the 0.886 Fibonacci level currently positioned at $1.437.